Hi, Winning Threes. Hi, lovely people. This is me, Tanushri, signing in from Winning Three on a very beautiful show called Ghar Se Ghar Tak, for this live show where we showcase work of local artisans, work of local tailors, work of local manufacturers, work of local business owners, and especially women owned businesses, because Winning Threes is about winning women. So all of this, but done by women, is showcased on Ghar Se Ghar Tak. It is an opportunity for businesses to grow locally, to support local businesses, and to go vocal for local. So today we have Ghar Se Ghar Tak scheduled with Ms. Pragati Gupta, who is the founder and owner of her brand called Pastel Shades, and I'm quickly inviting her to this particular chat so that we both can go live together and we can both discuss on how she started this venture, and then of course we can see her lovely creations. She has got quite a number of creations for the festivities which are upcoming, and it will be really nice to see what she has created, what is unique, and what will be new that is coming up with her creations. So we are quickly waiting for Pragati Gupta, and I've put in a request for her to join. I would request all Winning Threes to come on board and view the collections that we have got to showcase from Pastel Shades. She has got beautiful collections. So if I could get a hi from somebody who is watching, it would really feel nice. Any questions that you might have for Ghar Se Ghar Tak, you can ask me now before Pragati joins. I've already sent her a request and she'll be here any minute. So hi Shweta, how are you? So vocal for local, why vocal for local? Vocal for local is a very important concept for India. And why so? Because it's high time that we support local economies, because there are people who have experience, who have skills, but who do not find the capital to invest, who do not find the market to showcase their designs, and that is why their talent is going at a loss. Which is why it is very important for us to come up with more and more such initiatives by which we could actually encourage local artisans, local people, and people who are actually trying to manufacture things locally and keep the money inside. I think Pragati any minute now. Hi Pragati.
Hi, how are you,
Hi,
Tanu?
I'm absolutely fine. It's so lovely to catch up with you.
Same here.
Right. So, Pragati, how have you been? How is Gurgaon? Hot?
Yes, very hot and it's getting humid now. Yeah, I'm so
Right.
excited. And how have you been? It's so good to see you over here.
I'm absolutely doing good. It's not so hot and humid this time in Calcutta. So I'm actually from Calcutta right now. So it's very pleasant here in
All
Calcutta
right.
this year. Yeah. So
Okay.
yes, we were discussing about Ghar Se Ghar Tak and our initiative, for vocal to local or vocal for local. And we have Pragati Gupta. Let us put our hands together to welcome her from Pastel Shades. And she also has her website development and digital marketing company, which is called Retweaks,
Right,
right?
right.
So yes, a multifaceted and a multi-talented lady out there who is managing everything along with a 6-year-old.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Right.
That was really of
Yeah.
you.
So that's really amazing of us mothers to actually be multitasking there. It's really important. for mothers to actually manage everything, like the home front and our work front, and then you have two entrepreneurial roles to attend to also. So how is it for you? How is the day for you? Like,
So first of all, Tanu, I would like to thank you for this initiative. It's a wonderful initiative to
welcome.
encourage the moms who are working from home and these entrepreneurs, because we are also giving jobs. If I am doing some, if I am getting dresses stitched or if I'm designing some dupattas, it is like I'm giving jobs to other tailors. So because of COVID, a lot of people went back to their villages, they lost their jobs, and this initiative would really help them get their jobs back through the encouragement that
True.
you're providing. My day, it is I am always juggling between the two companies that I am working for, and the
Right.
one is profession in which by Retweaks, which it is, and it is a website design development and a digital marketing company. So that is something
Right.
that I have strategize for my clients every day. I have to be on call with my team every day. We coordinate all the time on the calls. And on the
Right.
other hand, the pastel shades, which I really love because it's my passion. So I started it 2 years back, in which I started designing these beautiful dupattas because I really
Right.
like taking the suits. I know there's a trend that people have started wearing more of dresses, long dresses, but I still feel that the dupatta really adds that elegance to the whole attire, and I really
Yes.
like that ethnic touch to it. So I really that is how I started designing those dupattas. So dupattas came into being. Then I also got into this ethnic, beautiful jewelry, and now I've recently
Right.
launched my dresses for summers, which is really need of the hour with the matching masks that we have, which I will show later probably.
Right, right. So yes, thank you for being here. It's wonderful to have people like you on board, who are doing multiple things together, and at the same time, they are actually inspiring females to come and do better and better. And with our initiative, which is Vocal for Local, and you have two entrepreneurial, roles here. So, tell me something that you have a degree in visual design and communication.
Right, right.
Right.
Yes.
So is entrepreneurial onto this particular business journey, did it start for you early or you were into corporate earlier than this?
So I have worked for corporate almost 10 years.
Okay.
Started my journey with the job. I joined a publishing house right after my college, and I have designed a
Right.
lot of encyclopedias. I have done a lot of interactive whiteboard presentations. I am a UI UX designer myself, so I've designed a lot of products. I've done a lot of product designing. I've done a lot of user interface designing,
Right.
and I'm hands-on designing the websites myself. So,
Right.
my whole this thing of starting Retweaks came from there, which I started like 3 years back in
Right.
2017 because of my the graduation and my degree that I have in that sector. So yeah.
Right. Right. So, and how did this, other baby of yours start, like pastel shades? How did that particular passion develop in you? Was it since childhood?
Yes, yes. So, I actually wanted to be a fashion designer, and
Okay.
I ended up becoming a UI UX designer. But this thing, that you want to do something in the line of fashion that never went out of my mind. And I thought of starting it after my baby happened. And,
Right.
when I was at home, I took a sabbatical for some time. I did join corporate for some time, but then I was not able to give that much time to my child Yuven. So I started Retweaks, and I thought that I still have some time in my hand, and I started pastel shades, and I started with something that I really love, which was dupattas, and then I went
Right.
into jewelry and dresses. So my whole will of being into that fashion industry never went. And I
Right.
started with a Facebook page and WhatsApping people, and now I have my own website for both the companies as well.
Right.
So that
Right. Right. So amazing that is. So, when did you decide that you have to do all of this from your house instead of, going to an corporate setup?
So for retweets, we always had an office. We had an office. For pastel shades, I had a home studio which I had really set up. People could just come in and even take a look. It was a completely set up. In this COVID times, because we could not move out, is when I actually, when I started working from home, and I could see that I'm able to manage my team online through the Wi-Fi
Right,
and through. I actually thought that I do not need an office and I can set a home office for myself as well. So
right,
the whole studio, I packed my studio for pastel shades because I could not let people come to home and see, because the COVID is really in Gurgaon, Delhi. It's really getting worse and it's getting bad.
right,
So I just
right,
uh, I I made sure in this time I utilized my time. I designed the whole website for pastel shades, and I we went live online. We have this website which I launched during COVID because my studio was
wow,
getting yeah. So my
right.
office, we the whole team, we connect every day for retweets. We talk to each other in the morning, we talk in the evening, and once at night to understand what do we want to do for the client. So both the things we are managing from home, and it's doing quite
Right.
well.
Wow. So that's quite an inspiring, thing to listen actually, because yes, many businesses have faced challenges during COVID, and coming up with the new normal is something which everybody is doing, and that you have done really commendably well. With coming up with a website there, and of course putting all your collections there, taking all your other offers which is retweaks onto online as well, and then interacting day in day out with your employees. That's actually quite a lot for a mother actually of a 6-year old. So hats off there to you, Pragati. Loads and loads of energy that you have. May that keep rising and keep shining. So tell me something, Pragati, why the name pastel shades?
Okay, so
Are you fond of pastel colors?
I am really, really fond of pastel colors. I was very
Right,
famous in my college that either I would wear black or I would wear something that is completely pastel. I don't
right,
like wearing bright colors that much, even though I've started wearing them now. But
right,
I've always been very fond, like extremely fond of pastel colors. And, I even try to keep my line in pastel colors, but somehow because of the need of the clients, we have to do some bright colors as well. But mostly I try
right.
that, I pastel colors is why I actually thought of giving my brand name pastel shades, because
Pastel shades.
I find them very nice and soothing and summery and breathable, very nice soothing colors. So yeah, that's why the name.
Right. So, with retweaks, what all do you do there, Pragati? You do logo designing and, creative designing, creative making. What all do you do there?
With Retweaks, we are basically into website design and development. We design the
Okay.
websites, we develop the websites, we do the SEO. We are into social media marketing as well. I have a lot of digital marketing clients in Gurgaon,
Right.
and we support. So my aim of Retweaks was, again, when I started, I just used to hire women who have become mothers and are looking for work. And
Hmm.
still, they really have this, because when I became a mother, I had to take that sabbatical. So I started my journey basically hiring these mothers who are designers, who are content writers, who are very good with social media, and they have a lot of talent, who are IT professionals. But if they have time constraint, they cannot move out of home, they cannot go back to the corporate life. So I started with hiring only those people. So we are a very small team of these mothers or women, and
Right.
we have a lot of
So you
digital
mean
marketing.
your employees are all mothers
Yes, yes,
who
yes.
want work? So that's really empowering there. What an empowering story. I'm really, really happy that we connected and I'm able to showcase your journey here on Winnings 3, because Winnings 3 is about winning women like you. So yes, you were saying something. Do continue that.
For when even our clients, when we talk about website or when we talk about digital marketing, we always help these small businesses who cannot spend a bomb who do not have that kind of money to design a website, get a website designed, or do not have that kind of money to
True.
spend a lot of money on digital marketing. So I
True.
really help kind of people who cannot shed a lot of money and they still want to be seen. I really,
Right.
I have clients of that sort where they are willing to be seen, and with minimal amount in which we do.
Right, right, right. So that's a very noble deed, actually, Pragati, and I'm really, really happy. And I hope that this venture of yours and, of course, Pastel Shades both do well. And already doing good, because there are rave reviews about Pragati's products, her apparels, and people really love them. The look of it, the masks and the long dresses, the dupattas, the jewelry, and of course, all her creatives are so creative, actually. So I've seen
Thank you.
all the creatives that come about for your posters and everything else. So that's really nice. People who are joining in us now, we have Pragati Gupta from Pastel Shades and Retweaks. Retweaks is a social media marketing, digital marketing company, and Pragati Gupta is also the founder of Pastel Shades, which is her apparel design company where she designs apparels, dupattas, ethnic wear, dresses, you name it, and she will have it. She is empowering many women with a work from home model for them, where they are employed at her retweaks. And of course, these tailors who are from villages, local people who are making the designs that she designs. They actually make it for her, and then she supplies it across to many people out there in Delhi, NCR, and also pan India.
Yeah,
Are
yeah,
you
we deliver
delivering
pan.
pan India? Right. So that's amazing. She's also a mother of a 6-year-old. So today is about her, about Ghar Se Ghar Tak, where we'll see her creations. She has wonderful creations there. She is ready to showcase all of that. And of course, yes. So before that, before we jump into that, why ethnic? Why not anything else? You said you started off with dupattas, and you wanted to go into that dupatta zone and that ethnic zone. So why ethnic?
So, I really like Indian culture. And somehow I just feel that we are getting too much into, even though I love wearing dresses myself, I just love them. I wear a lot of them. I wear a lot of Western clothing. But I still feel that, there is something in Indian culture which we should really promote and we should take forward. And
Right.
dupattas and jewelries is it just does perfect justice to that. The kind of jewelry that I have, all ethnic, and the kind of dupattas that I do, and even my dresses, they are long. I have some with the dupattas, some are right now. I've just launched these cotton long dresses with matching masks because people are really looking for something more trendy. Yeah, so I
Right.
just feel that, Indian culture is beautiful and it's just good to promote it. So that's why I just love ethnic wear myself.
Wow. So, all the thoughts there with her are really noble. She's doing multiple things, like employing people, and also giving work from home options for mothers who cannot actually go outside to work. And then, she's also a promoter of Indian culture. She believes that handcrafted is more efficient and more beautiful than anything else. So, right now, we are here to see her creations from our homes, while she is sitting at her house, and she will be showing her creations to us. So it will be really nice to now see your collection there, Pragati. I'm
Yes,
sure you're ready. So
yes, absolutely.
yes, yeah, so let us begin seeing your collection, because people want to see them. She's very
Sure. So
famous in Gurgaon and NCR.
I'll start with the jewelry and then we'll move to
Sure.
start with something that I really love. This is a Chadao heart. This is a Chadao
Wow.
choke. It looks very beautiful. If you've seen your mothers and everybody, they had this kind of jewelry which went out of fashion, but it is coming in fashion. We have these kind of, and they look very beautiful when they are worn. It
Right.
fits. If you even see these actresses, we have these very beautiful Jarau chokers with these very matching
Yes.
these actresses, they are wearing these chokers even without anything in their ears, you know. But
Right.
still, we Indian culture, we are we prefer to wear earrings. So we have these very beautiful looking studs with them, not something very big, which looks very nice and very
Hmm.
classy. So
Right.
that is something that I have.
So normally
Have-
these go with ethnic wear, but are they also in trend now to be worn with Western?
So, you can really team them up with these look very beautiful if you are wearing a shirt with the long skirt and a belt. So if you are wearing this choker in your shirt, like you're wearing a white shirt with a very classy, very nice skirt, flowing skirt, and you wear a belt over the skirt and you wear this choker, it'll look very pretty. It looks very
Wow.
classy. Yeah.
Wow, wow. So that's like a, fashion tip also there for all the viewers. Yes. So yes. So what was
We
the
all,
price of that?
sorry, I
The
did not understand.
price.
Right. So, these sets are for 5,000 as
Okay.
of now. But, for now, if anybody is wanting to buy anything and get in touch with me, and today we are giving a flat 30% off to everybody who is wanting to buy. So, if anybody wants to get in touch with me, can you ping me on my WhatsApp number is 98722755581. You can message me right away and I'll be giving you a flat 30% off on my entire collection.
Wow. So that's amazing. Winnings threes. You do leave your number after the live on the comments so that people can connect with you.
Sure, I will. These jadaus, so there are two types of jadao jewelry that's in the market. One is where they just stick these, the one that we have, these are studded into the metal. So, when these pearls, the stones would not come out of the jewelry. The finishing is very nice. It's why the price is little towards the high side because, the finishing and the way the pearls have been uh, sticking, they have been studded into the jewelry. They're not sticking. They're not stuck with the gum. They would not come out. So this is
Hmm.
another way we have. So
Wow, it's very pretty, very pretty.
yeah,
I'm
and you can
sure people are liking your comments.
thank you. Yeah, and these are these long danglers that you like. If you like something simple, they look very
Right,
beautiful. You can see
right.
that, and this is the length.
Yes,
We
very
have these in
beautiful.
as well. So that is one. These are the Jadao jewelry that I have. Then we have more trendy jewelry as well. These are these raisin necklaces. These are made out of raisin stones, and they can go with any of your dresses. They can even go with your suit, with your kurta. When you're looking for something more simpler and more trendy to wear.
Hmm,
This
hmm.
is this is something that we also have.
Very pretty.
Another necklace, it's a multi-layered necklace in raisin stones, and it is completely allergy free. You will not get any allergy after wearing it. It is
Wow.
specially made out of a material that you will not get allergy. Even in imitation, even in this we have two colors, you know
Okay.
then we have some very trendy kind of jewelry. We have these semi-precious and ruby stones earrings,
Wow.
which are very nice these days because you are on these Zoom calls and you're on these FB lives and you're doing so many lives. You're looking for something more simpler than something very heavy. So
Okay, we have a question also for you. Price of raisin stone multicolor.
so this one is for 1100, and if you're looking for it, we'll be giving flat 30% discount right now.
Yes, today. So Deepthi, she's also in Gurgaon, and you're also
Okay.
in Gurgaon. So
Yeah.
both of you can connect and get a 30% off there, and the deal will be done. So Deepthi, go for it.
Yeah, Deepti, so I'll connect with you. I'll be replying to everybody. Once the live is over, I'll be going through all the comments. And you can leave me a comment. And if you like somebody, you can just instantly take a screenshot and leave a screenshot so that I can know which one were you looking for.
Yes, yes, yes. True. Very pretty collection there.
We have these very beautiful geometrical shaped, this is a matte finish golden earrings, which look very nice. They can even, go with in cocktails, or even if like I'm having a live with you, I'm not wearing any jewelry right now because I'm presenting. So but yeah, you can see they look very nice even with the one something that I'm wearing, and they look very classy. So we have
Right.
a lot of these. We have a lot of this kind of jewelry. You can go to my website, and that's www.pastelshades.in, and you will see
Right.
all the designs over there. It will really help you select. We have another one because over here I'm just showing very limited collection.
True.
Online we have very beautiful semi-precious stones, a three stone dangler. They look very classy and very pretty. These are all semi-precious.
Right.
We have a lot of beautiful Kundan jhumkis for the ones who are looking for more festive, because festival
Tradition.
season is coming in. We have Rakhi, we have Teej, then we have Karwa Chauth. So now the festivals are never going to, it's like never ending chain. They'll go and go on and on. So anybody
Right.
who's looking for more traditional heavy stuff, we have that. You can definitely go and take a look at my website. We have a lot of designs over there. These
Right.
kind of,
Very
we have
pretty.
heavy Navratna. Is a 9 stone holes mala set. We have this green mala with the Navratna, and we have these beautiful earrings with them. In
Right.
Kundan, they look beautiful. So
Very pretty.
that thank you. That was some of the
Yeah.
jewelry. I can show some of the dupattas and the dresses,
Right.
and yeah. So I'll just get up and just few of them, and the rest of them can be definitely seen on the website. And
Sure, sure.
I have
Yes,
just
so her
done.
website is an active one there. So you deliver, you people can place order through your website and it will get
You can
delivered.
Yes, you can directly place order through the website. You can make prepaid orders. You can pay online. You can even take CODs. We deliver pan India. We deliver throughout
Wow.
India. And yeah,
Wow.
the orders can be directly on the website. So these are
Right.
the dupattas that we recently designed. These are pure kota dupattas in white. Complete designing has been done by me. This was just the fabric that I procured. And we I worked with the tailor on multicolored laces. I had these very beautiful laces. So there are these laces all around the borders. We have these laces, different three color lace on on the two sides, and the complete dupatta has these golden tikkis. It looks
Right.
very in summers. It looks very beautiful, and it is a pure kota dupatta,
Right.
and
Right.
you will see I have a lot more online on my website. I'll show you another one. This one is in red. It is even very nice for the lawyers who are going these days to the court to take. It looks very, and even if you want to just get a plain, probably a red suit made, and you take this dupatta, it will just add so much elegance, because these
Mm-hmm.
dupattas you find nowhere in the market, because these are my
Right.
designs. These are just with me. This is my thought. So I have,
Right.
we have placed these pom-pom lace as parallelly, and over here have placed this gota patti lace, and we have again these tikkis all over the dupatta. These are
Right.
pure dupattas that we have, and they can
Right.
just look so nice and classy. Like everybody is going to ask you, where did you buy this from?
Yes, absolutely. It's really elegant, it's giving that look of elegance. It'll actually make your attire more soothing.
Yes,
What is the price of this beauty?
These are pure dupattas, Tanu. These are for 1850. These are priced at 1850. So for
Right.
today, again, I'm saying, if somebody connects with me today, right itself, then we'll be giving a 30% flat off.
Right. Right.
So this is Banarasi dupatta. It's in Georgette. And this was a plain fabric, a golden and white. I dyed it in red, and because the festive season is coming, keeping that in mind, like I told you, I cannot always do whites and pastel colors. I also have to think of some bright colors. So
Hmm.
I have few dupattas in Banarsi which look very beautiful classy. It has this golden work all over the dupatta, and you know we have
Right.
this golden lace, this beautiful triangle golden lace on all the four sides, and it can go with anything, you know, even like I was talking about, even if you want to take it with something like this, like a white, or probably you want to take it with a yellow color, or you want to take it with even you can do a complete red suit with it. And you
Hmm.
know, I'll tell you, red looks really beautiful with orange color. Try it
Hmm.
sometime. Like I have myself, I have a red suit and I have an orange dupatta with it, and I get so many compliments every time I wear it. So yeah, this is a Banarsi dupatta. It looks in Georgette. It looks very beautiful.
Yes, it is very pretty.
Thank you.
So where
Moving
do you
on.
procure these materials from? Like, the fabric.
The fabric I have I have places where I in Delhi. What I do is in general I procure a lot of fabric and I always keep with me, which really helped me in COVID because everything was shut. Chandni Chowk was shut, everything was shut, so I could not go. So I have this
Right.
mostly with me that I keep with me. I design, I keep give it my thought, and then. So right now, of course, we are struggling because you know the places are very crowded, and thankfully
Right.
I had the so that is why I could design these dupattas for the festive season as well.
Yeah. So that's thoughtful.
Yeah. So moving, so these are these are soft net dupatta. This is a soft net dupatta that I'm showing to you right now. It is a
Okay.
very beautiful in a grey teal kind of a color, and again, you know, I did the matching lace with it, and if you can see, these are these very nice work done on it, completely
Wow.
golden
Very
done
pretty
on
this
it.
is.
Yes, it looks very beautiful.
Yeah.
As you can check the prices on my website. You can see these,
Right.
all these are on my website. You can check the prices on my website, and if you like something, you can just let me know. My number is
Right.
9722755881. You can WhatsApp me with the picture and we can just take it forward from there.
Lovely colors. I can now relate to that pastel shades name.
Yeah, yeah, so
Yes.
much. So this one is again, you know, that kind of a color which I really like. That is why this is a pastel color. I have
Right.
another um, so I'll show you this one. This is another Georgette dupatta. It's very beautiful. It is a multi-dyed dupatta. You can see how the work has been done.
Yes.
So
Yes.
how the dyeing has been done. It is
Right.
very comfortable and flowy. It is very elegant to take use. I have added this lace to the dupatta, and you know
Wow.
you don't need anything else. You just get a plain suit stitched with it, and it will be like a showstopper for you because it is such an elegant dupatta. I mean, you don't need
Right.
anything else. You just put in some jewelry, and with the plain fabric, it just looks very beautiful.
Right. So I wanted to understand or ask you about a fashion tip, from a fashionista there. Dupattas, are they only going with suits, or there are other things also with which we can pair dupattas?
So dupattas can it's a myth that dupattas only go with the suits. Like for me, if I have to wear a dupatta, I'll also maybe tuck it in my jeans and I'll take it like a drape and put a belt over it. It will look very beautiful. For example, if
Wow.
I'm taking this and I'm wearing the belt, I will just put a belt over it, this belt over it, and I'll tie it from behind. It will look very beautiful. You can take it with the skirt of yours, like I said, that you wear that choker with the white shirt and the long skirt with the belt, and you tuck a dupatta at the side, and very elegant one. It will look very beautiful. You can tuck a banarsi, or you can tuck a beautiful net dupatta with a nice border. It will look very beautiful.
Right, right. So yes, thank you for that fashion tip there. So somebody has asked, Deepthi has asked about the price of this multicolor dupatta.
Dipti, this one is again 1850. But yeah, as I said that I'll be giving the flat 30% off. So we'll connect on WhatsApp, and you can tell me all the stuff that you like. You can even take a look at my website. You can send me screenshots, and we can take it forward from there.
So yes, for people who are joining in now, we have Ghar Se Ghar Tak with Pragati Gupta. She is the founder of Pastel Shades, and she is giving a flat 30% off on her collection for winning threes exclusively. She'll leave her number here. She also has a website www.pastelshades.in. So in case anybody wants to order, they can place the order and grab that 30% discount, and also WhatsApp her for more of her creations.
Right, right. Thank you. Now I'll show another one. Now this is a chicken fabric that I have, and I
Right.
dyed it in very nice pastel blue. And
Wow.
I went, so the work on it is not golden, it's a little silver. So I added a silver triangle
Yes.
gota lace on it. And
Right.
you can see the work, how intricately the work is done on the dupatta.
Very beautiful.
Yes. So I again dyed it into a pastel blue color, and it will look amazing with the off-white suit. It will look amazing with the lemon, very baby yellow or a baby pink color suit. You can even do a single color suit. You go with a very light tone of blue or a very
Right.
dark tone of. You take it with that. It will look very beautiful.
Right. It can
And these
also look. It can also look good with sharara. That this color goes for shararas
very
also.
very beautiful with the sharara. It will even, you can get anything, not only the suit, you get the lehenga stitched, you can get a suit in a sharara made. It will look very beautiful with any of this.
Right. Right. Very pretty collection.
Yes,
Really
and I
falling in love with your collection.
thank you. This is our own design, so these are pastel shades
Yes,
exclusive.
you're very
So
creative. It is flowing all over.
thank
Yeah.
you so much. So I'll move on to the next one. I'm just showing my
Right.
dupattas
Can
first,
I
and
know the price of that particular, this one, the dupatta that you showed now?
Tanu, this one is for 2250, but
Okay.
it's a pure chicken dupatta, and again
Right.
I'm giving a 30% off on these.
Right.
My most of the fabric is pure,
Right.
so yeah. So now
Great.
this is again
The
another. It's
price seems
another
very reasonable also, it's not very high on the higher end. It's reasonable.
right,
It's cost
right.
effective. Yeah.
Yes, this is what I keep in mind. This is another. This is an off-white. You see this work all over the dupatta, and there's this lace that I have placed on all the four sides. It is I've kept it plain because I just think that it will look very nice with a beige color suit, or even if you like a very dull gold, and even if you want something to wear with a maroon color suit, some darks, this will just
Mm-hmm.
add you know so it looks very very elegant. These dupattas, they are very nice.
Right. Very pretty.
Thank you. Um, I'll just
Actually,
show.
I also like the suit that you're wearing. This
It's
is
a
what you're
dress.
wearing.
Just love wearing.
Yes.
So the dresses
It's
I've
a drape
introduced.
suit. Is it a
So
dress or a suit?
that's a dress. From
Okay.
Kelly.
And the dupattas are going good with that also.
Thank you so much. Yeah, this is what I was telling, that they good, very good with, even if you have a if you have a long dress and you take a dupatta, it will just convert it into a very beautiful suit dress, and it will look very.
Yes.
That is how the whole thought of stitching, getting the dresses design came to my mind, because I used to get a lot of compliments for the dresses I wear.
This one is
So
really nice. It's a drape dress, I think, and it's looking really, really nice on you.
thank you, Tanu. So, we'll be coming to those dresses in few minutes. I'm just almost done with the.
Yes.
I just have one or two left. This is an now
Wow.
again floral
Very
dupatta.
pretty. Yes. Very
It's
pretty.
it's in
This is eye
organza.
catchy.
It looks
Yes. Very
very
nice.
classy. So that's
Very,
the
very
lace
classy.
on the two sides. You can see how beautiful and classy it looks. These are very summer
Yes.
friendly. the fabric is extremely summer friendly. The colors are very soothing. The design that you see on it, it's very ethnic, very floral, very now kind of designs,
Yes,
that
it's a
anybody.
very trendy one.
Yes, yes. So
Yes.
that's an organza dupatta. There's one more,
Right.
which is a georgette. It's a little dark color. I have more colors in this. It is a thread
Right.
work dupatta. So what we have done is we have got a thread work done on it, like parallelly on the complete
Okay.
dupatta, on the
Mm-hmm.
fabric. And we've dyed it blue and we've kept it simple all through. We've just added a simple lace to it, as you can see.
Mm-hmm.
And it will look very nice with the gray suit. It will look very nice with the gray color. It will look very nice with the white color. It will add a lot of elegance. So
Is this black?
this is it's a navy blue.
Okay. Okay. So it should good. It should be good with white also. It should go
Yes,
good with white.
it will look very nice with white. It will look very nice with gray. Grays are very
Yes.
much trend and it looks beautiful
Yes.
with them.
Right. Right.
So I'll move on to the dresses now.
Yeah. Yeah. So before we move on to the dresses, I wanted to know which color is in trend these days, Pragati.
So, Tanu, whenever if you will see the trend changes according to the season as well, right? So
Right.
right now it's summers in north, so there are a lot of pastel colors that people would be liking to buy because they are very very soothing to wear.
Right.
There's
Right.
in north there's a lot of ikkuts that people are really moving towards. There's a lot of people are now really moving, wanting to buy pure cottons and indigos and ikkuts and a lot of light pastel colors because they are very
Right.
summer friendly and they look quite soothing and nice in summers. So when moving towards winter, the people would like to buy more of bright colors. So yeah,
Right.
that's
Right. Yes. So
so.
we have had too many fashion tips also there. So yes, Pragati rocks the show now.
Thank you. So moving on to the dresses. So these are my very recently launched dresses.
Wow,
This
very
is,
pretty.
yeah. So
Very
if you can see,
classy also.
thank
Yeah,
you. This
with
is
a
a
mask.
yes. This is even having a belt. I've added the belt like I'm wearing one because
Right.
it adds figure. And this is a belt that I have added with these wooden buttons, and I have made sure that the dress has a matching mask too.
Right.
And it is a A-line dress. This one is a small size, but it can be done in from extra small to large, any size it can be done. And it is till the it is a little it is little below the knees, a little above the ankle. This one, but and it is having a collar. So if you are attending a Zoom call, if you are attending an office call, it can really go very well because
Right.
you want to corporate look, and even if you have to move out, you have the mask with it ready and you are ready to go out for a if your office calls you for a meeting, and
Right.
you want to look very nice in summer. So that's there.
Right.
I have lot more designs
What is the
online.
price of that?
All this dresses I 22.99. This is for twenty
Okay.
two ninety nine. There'll be a 30% off if you book it right
And
now.
what is the material? It's cotton?
It's pure cotton, absolutely pure
Right.
cotton. This one is in denim texture, but pure cotton.
Okay.
So these are more of the dresses that I have. These are completely long, full length dresses like the one that I am wearing. You
Right.
can. This is with the mask. I also have another one. I'll show you. Like this one. This is an indigo dress.
Wow. Yes, the
So
designs are lovely.
thank you. Yeah, so we have this very pretty dory with it. So the ones who
Right.
like to wear belt, we have these very beautiful. These are complete sets that we have made. Somehow with the belt because some people prefer without the belt. So there are few designs
Right.
that we have with the belt, and there are few designs that we have without the belt as well. So we have different colors, different patterns. We even have in black. You can go online and see. You can see this one is a very beautiful design in yellow, very summery color with the mask. It will look very nice even if you're wearing it home. You're moving out, and it is something very breathable fashion, very very organic.
Yes, yes, very, very pretty
Yeah,
and
so
very
these are
soothing.
they're very very easy to wear. They're very easy to
Right.
carry. They're
Yeah,
very
actually, even I am very fond of long dresses. Why? Because one thing is you don't have to be really prepped up with that waxing stuff. These days, getting waxed is also a challenge, as you already know. So, because COVID, all these salons are, closed, and even if they are open, we are not going. We are not, we are avoiding kind of. So, घर पे भी कितना भी आप कर लो, it doesn't give that finish which comes in a salon. So yes, and it's so comfortable to wear, and you can wear it anywhere. So for people who have in-laws at their house, or people who have elderly people at their house, in front of them also you can easily wear these kind of long dresses, and at the same time stay in style. So there are 3 4 benefits that I've counted in for long dresses. These are
yeah,
actually lifesavers.
they look very trendy. And I have made sure, if you will see my dresses, I have made sure that they are very easy to wear. We have kept the necks from the behind and from the front very comfortable to work. Even if you have your in-laws or friends coming over, even if you have to run around, the length is such that you will not be tripping over it. We have
Yes.
in mind that kind of length, those kind of necks, all the dresses. All
Right.
the necks kept in a way that even if you
And especially during online sessions, these dresses will give that edge.
right, right.
Yeah, during online meetings also we have to be properly dressed. For official meets or anything that we are doing, we have to be properly dressed, and uh, this is something that gives that elegance. At the same time, it's comfortable. You can run around at your house doing other chores also with it. So it's that
Exactly.
kind of a dress. Yeah.
I had to present my products to you, so wearing the dress was much more comfortable decision for me than wearing, something more heavy, because I knew I had to walk, I had to show stuff. So these dresses really are very comfortable to wear. That way,
True.
very, very
True.
to handle
True.
and classy. I'll move on to a little more ethnic stuff.
Right.
We have these dresses. These are again long because I just love long dresses.
Me too.
Because
I love long dresses.
yeah, for people who have a little short height, if you are wearing a long dress, it will add height to your whole structure.
Wow.
You
So
start looking.
another fashion tip there.
So I wear a lot of long dresses myself because it gives you a taller look. It makes you look taller. So
Right.
yeah, and this one is another layered dress. We have this kurti, and if you
Right.
see, we have this completely. So instead of giving it a lining, what we have done is we've given a whole complete dress niche. This is
Okay.
a self dress that goes to the floor, and over we've
Right.
given this trendy tassels to it, and we have added this very beautiful Banarsi dupatta,
Right. Wow.
and it looks
Very
very,
nice. Very
yeah,
elegant. Yeah.
yes. So if you're looking for gifting,
Gives a
if
royal look also.
it
You
looks
can
very.
easily wear it for a party.
You can absolutely, like, Raksha Bandhan is coming, Tej is coming, there are more festivals coming. It looks very, very nice and very easy to wear, very easy to manage. Again, you'll not be tripping all over, and it will be very easy to carry, and looks extremely elegant. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of compliments in this one because I have got a lot of them when I wore
And
them.
you can wear it also standalone with the inside thing that you have. Like the inside dress also can be worn with a jacket or something, no? It can
Separate
pair.
things. Absolutely.
Right.
Even the because these are not attached to each other. Even if you look at the
Right.
kurti, if you think that you want to wear it with a nice skirt or you want to wear it with a
Jeans.
nice palazzo, you can just do so many other styles to the
I
dress.
think also a jeans, like a denim jeans, and
Absolutely, it
just
will
the
look good
top.
because it will just look
Yes.
really nice. We have
Wow,
another
I'm so loving with this.
Thank you so much. We have more colors.
I wanted to
Uh,
ask the price of that.
see, Tanu, this one is for 2750 only, and on
Okay.
for today we are only giving it for 2000.
Wow. Wow. Very
I have left
nice.
very few sizes in this which I'll have to check because we are running because of the festive season. We are also running stock out on most of our collection. So
Right.
this is another color in that. This is a turquoise color. It has a little different kind of sleeve.
Mm-hmm.
And we have this very beautiful purple Rani dupatta, again a Banarsi dupatta. It looks
Right.
very beautiful.
Yes.
And
So is that a dress? Is that also a long dress?
this is also the same one. It is again having this, it is not having the cut, but it is again having this whole dress niche, a long
Okay.
one. Yeah, and
Okay.
then on we have this kurti with the tassels, and we have this dupatta with it.
Okay. Great. Great.
Yeah.
This
So
is
it's a
also
little,
very pretty.
yeah, so it's just a little different design of the one that I have shown in peach color. It is also in the same
Yeah.
pattern, and the design is a little different.
Probably the size is also a little different, no? For this one. This one seems a little
It's a
smaller.
medium. Yes, this one is a medium, and that one might
Right.
they both. It's just the color and the way it has been stitched is a little different.
Right. Very nice. So, do you also ship across borders, like to other countries?
Not right now. We have not started with international shipping.
Right.
We just start soon, but right now we are just concentrating on India.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Uh, I also have this very beautiful set. This is again a kurta with the cotton dupatta, and we have this sharara with it. You know,
Wow.
this is a
Very
short
pretty.
kurta. Yeah, we have this. I'm just left with another color, which is a teal green color, and there's this sharara
Right.
which goes with this kurta, and this cotton
Right.
dupatta, and this is very beautiful. This is a free
Very,
size. It's
very
in size.
pretty.
Yeah, it's a free size. It's in 42, but it can be altered to whatever size. It can be altered to a large, to a medium, to a small. That can be done very easily because the sharara is something that will fit all. The kurta can be altered according to the size. So we
Right.
have done this very beautiful detailing on the kurta sleeves of kota, and even the neck, and then also
Can
the
we see the
body.
full length of the kurta? How long is it? Is it long?
It is a little below your knees, because
Okay.
it's a
Okay.
Sahara skin. Because if you want to take a complete look at the picture, no, Tanu, you can go to the website and you will get to see how it looks. Because there are model pictures on that, and
Right. So tell me something. Do shararas only go with long tops, or they also go with short tops?
no, they can easily go with something just below your hips. The shararas can easily. It's just that it depends on the material. Because mine are in off-white color, and I really do not want them to look transparent. So we have added a little longer top, which is a little below the knees. But yeah,
Yeah.
you can easily just add a sharara to something short, and it looks very beautiful. It's just that the color has to be a little darker for that, so that it doesn't go transparent from the back.
Right. Right. So
We
lovely
also
collection.
Thank you so much. We have just one more. We
Right.
have a lot of other collection which is not possible for me to show. It's just like we have these kurti plazo sets. We have a lot more on the website which can be taken a look at.
Yes. Yes.
Again,
I
it
am
was
actually going to your website after this.
okay.
Yes, I really am in love with all that collection that you have to show, and I really, really want to see them more, on the website. So I'm going to go there now and see, check out all the collection. So,
Lovely,
and I'm sure
lovely.
everybody else will also do that. So it was really lovely having you today. I think we have
Same.
showcased, some of all, all that you had to show today, and there is lots and lots of more things that she does, but everything cannot be shown today at one go. So yes, winning threes who watched this, you all know, and people who will be watching this later on, you all would know that today there is a 30% off for all of us on her collections. So please go visit her website pastelshades.in, or her number. She will leave the link after the live show is ending. And her name was Pragati Gupta, the founder of Pastel Shades, and it was lovely seeing your collection. Lovely having you here, and a salute to your spirits, because the way you have been employing women who need work from home options, women who need work from home opportunities, mothers who are doing something good sitting at their homes, and these tailors who are really facing a lot of trouble these days, because not much people are going there to get dresses stitched. To them, that's the work that you're providing. And also the creativity that you have, which comes about on all your collections. Everything that you've been doing is really commendable. So thank you, Pragati, for being you, for bringing retweaks, and for bringing pastel shades, and for being on Ghar Se Ghar Tak. It was lovely having you today.
Thank you so much, Tanushree. That was a lovely, lovely conversation with you, and I'm really thankful to you for inviting me over. It is a brilliant initiative that you've taken to encourage us all and to help all the winning histories in the group. That's really lovely. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. So thank you again. Bye bye, people. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Signing off.
Pragati.
Be safe, everyone. Bye bye.